What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So I'm doing some testings and recording also. So anyway, I was gonna record it to review it. So then I was like, okay, I'm gonna publish it. Why not? So doing this little intro. Yeah, what I'm doing is, the hiccups. When you le okay, when you have to, how do you do it, what I'm saying, you have the, yeah, okay, the hiccups. So, sometimes happen to me, okay, this unexplained phenomenon. And, well, I got methods, to deal with it for me or for when it happens to with the friends, to get back to normal situations. But a lot of time people, because I don't use that, okay, or I don't know how it works like that, people say me about the scares, because when you have the hiccups, if you're the scares, then it's another method to end it, okay. So this is what I wanted to see, if I can implement this somehow. So then I had the idea, fuck, I forgot how that's called. Fuck, no, it's not again. Yeah, okay, because I forgot how to say the stuff that I wanted to test. So yeah, it's Jack in the Box, the methods. So where was I? Fuck, I forgot. No, I can restart. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's now some testing time to do. So actually, because I wanted to do some tests and to record them to the camera to then review them. So then I was like, okay, I'm gonna record them, so why not do a presentations too and make it. Maybe Leo want to participate too. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. The thing is, about the hiccups, when you go le okay, you have the stuff no, I missed this one. It's okay, anyway, you know what I mean, the hiccups, okay? This unexplained phenomenon happens to you, so sometimes happens to me. And I've got methods, of course, to remediate, and also, when you're with your friends, so you help them to get back to normals. But a lot of people, this is known, but also they tell me that about the fright, the scare thing. So, if you use hiccups and then you're the scares, the real scares, and it's gone, it's like another method. So then I was like, okay, yeah, but one people tell me, another people tell me. Anyway, so now I'm like, okay, maybe I use this method, if I hiccups, and I cured. So, but how do you do it, because it's not like, oh, scare me, and it doesn't work. I have the real scares. So I was thinking about something, about Jack in the Box, the Jack in the Box. Yeah. And yeah, what I want to see is because, okay, the first time you Jack in the Box, you're gonna be scared, of course, but no, I want to see if there's a method to actually, to have the hiccups, then do you Jack in the Box, so then it's maybe you're cured. So yeah, this I don't know. So yeah, and to be sure if this thing works, that's why I want to review, to record, so to see if I really scares, because yeah, sometimes maybe you think you're like, oh, scared, but maybe you're not sure. So yeah, I want to be sure if this method works. Yeah, and the methodology, the scientists' methodology. So to have accurate something, so we're gonna do not in the same session, over several days, 2 days, 3 days, whatever. So to have a realistic measure of this. Also because it's dangerous if you don't die for the heart attacks. I don't think I die, but you know, you don't get scared all day long, of course, obviously. Okay, so enough scientific explanations and procedure and stuff, like we just do it, you know. So let's see if we, I have, find for me at least, a new weapon of resistance against the hiccups, attacks and invasions. Alright. Lapin, vite, vite, lapin. Léo, lapin. There's the bunnies. Léo, Léo, lapin. Vite, Léo, Léo, bruh. Bruh, come on, Léo. Hi, hi. Hi, Léo, hi, lapin. Hi, vino là, lapin, vino. Hi, Léo. Come on, bruh. Vino là, lapin, come on. What's up, bro? Bruh. Hi, Leo. Hi. Hi. Come on, bro. No fi kitchen out, man. Hi. Bruh, come on. Hi. Hi, you bunny. Hi, ma. Bruh, Leo, come on. Who's my cat? Bruh. Hi. Come on. Wait. Bruh. Leo. Come on, man. Bro, don't be a fail. Leo. Hi, Leo. Da, Leo. Leo. Hi, Leo. Da. Leo, come on, we do it. We do it, the bunny. Leo. Hi. We take. Hi. Da. What's up, bruh? Ok, recule. Recule, bruh. Recule, on va voir si t'as peur. Bruh. Non, recule, ça va pogner dans ta face. Bruh, recule. Bro, fais attention, man. Non. Bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, excuse. Oh shit. Bro, come on. Bro. Oh shit. Bro, ça va. Bro. It's okay, look. Bro, okay, I want to do it again. Bro, it's okay, bro, don't cry. Leo, with your bunny. What's up? Look, you can be friends. Oh shit. Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god, we both jumps. This is so scary, man. Bruh, don't touch the camera, bruh. Bruh. Bro, you sure you want it again? Bruh. Little bruh, look. Bruh. Oh god, you know, okay, this time, you know, I didn't put him, he come himself. You wanna see the bunnies? Bruh. Bro, you sure? Bruh. Bruh, you're not on the cam. Bruh. What's the point? Why are you here if you're not in the cam? Bruh. Leo. Bruh. No, 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 pas la caméra. Bruh. 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 Bruh, come here. Bruh. Good, good cat. Bruh, you want it? You get it. Look, look. Bruh. Lascia camera. Leo. Leo. Lascia camera, bruh. Come here, be good cats, be good cats. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, bruh. Okay, so yeah, it works. I guess I have to review the footage and stuff, but yeah, I got scared. Oh my god.